Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are talking about the simple machines. A simple machine is a device that make work easier by changing the direction of the force. That means that simple machine allows someone to do work with less effort. There are 6 types of simple machines: the inclined plane, the lever, the pulley, the screw, the wedge, and the wheel and axle. Wheel and axle and pulley are the types of lever. Wedges and screws are type of inclined plane. Each type of simple machine has a specific use and purpose. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope over which a load can be easily pushed up or rolled down. Heavy object can be moved more easily from a lower to a higher level with the help of an inclined plane. The examples of the inclined plane are slide, slant on a roof, ramp. Inclined plane used also in hospitals or in basement parking. Lever. A lever is a tool like a bar or rod that is on fixed support called the fulcrum. Lever enables people to do work using less force. It is usually used to move or lift objects. The examples of lever are seesaw, tweezer, and swings. A pulley is a wheel with a rope or chain in a groove frame that is used to lift something up. Pulley is used for raising the flag up and down. It is also used in elevators, wells, and in cranes. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole. The circular motion of a screw helps to move things upward and downward. It can also be used to lift things or to hold things together. Some examples of a screw are nut, bolt, jars, and light bulbs. Wedge. The wedge is basically two inclined planes joined together. They are used to split or cut things apart. The smaller force applied at the back of the wedge and it converts the greater force to the small area at the tip of the wedge. The examples of wedge are axes, knives, and chisels. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is easy to recognize. It is the wheel with the rod in the middle. This simple machine is used in cars, bicycles, in scooters. They are also used in different ways like doorknob and pencil sharpeners. Thank you.